Hi and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Buki Sheila. I'm a pattern dressmaker from Nigeria, and in today's video I'll be showing you how I made this beautiful silk headband which could be styled with different outfits in summer. All you need is the fabric of your choice and an elastic band, 1-inch elastic band. The first step is to cut 4 pieces of 10 by 50 centimeters. Once that is done, you place 2 pieces together right side facing each other, and we are going to be sewing with half an inch seam allowance on both sides. You also need to cut a piece of 8 by 28 centimeters, fold it in half and sew by half an inch seam allowance. Now take all the pieces to my sewing machine, sew them. I'll turn the right side out and give them a good press. I have gone ahead to turn them to the right side and also give them a good press. Now we have 2 pieces of 10 by 50 centimeters and a piece of 8 by 28 centimeters. The elastic band is 14 cm. So I'm just measuring them so you see the measurement on the video, and once this is done I'll pull the elastic band through the 8 by 28 cm and I'll secure it down by sewing on both edges. The elastic band is sewn and secured nicely. So for the other 2 pieces, I'm going to form a cross with the 2 pieces, just like this, and I'll grab the 2 edges of one piece, place them together and line them up nicely. And I'll do the same on the other piece, line it up nicely, and then I'll just pull it a bit to get the crossover style. Okay, so once this is done, the next step will be to place the elastic piece on the middle, fold the upper part downward and the bottom part upward, just like it's that easy. And I'll secure with this clip so it doesn't move around. I'll do the same thing on the other side, and I'll take it to my sewing machine, sew it, and so I'll sew it twice on each side just to make sure it's sewn nicely. And this is it after sewing. I'll turn it in out so the seams fall in between the fabric, and as you can see, everything is sewn very neatly. So if this video has been helpful, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, give the video a thumbs up, check for other sewing tutorial on my channel, and let me know your thoughts on the comment section. I'll see you on my next video. Bye.